Hi students, this is Manikandan here. Today we are going to continue on the topic defending by protection. Okay, here it is white to play. Could you find which white piece is in danger and how can you support that white piece? You can also pause the video and try to find. Here the pawn on e4 is under attack by the black bishop. So you have to support this pawn on e4. Could you find how can you give support to this e4 pawn? Yes, you can move this pawn one step so that the f3 pawn can give support to this e4 pawn. If the bishop captures, we can capture it back with our pawn. So the answer is f3. Next one. Here it is black to play. Here also one of the black pawn is in danger. Could you spot which black pawn is in danger? Yes, the black pawn on a7 is under attack by the white bishop. So now try to find how can you support this a7 pawn. How can you give support with one of your piece for this a7 pawn. Here you can use your knight to give support. Could you spot where should you move the knight to give support to this a7 pawn? Okay, the answer is you can move it to c8 like this 1, 2 and 3. Now the knight is giving support 1, 2 and 3. So if the bishop captures the pawn, knight will be able to recapture on time. Okay, next one. So the answer is nc8. Here it is white to play. Could you spot which white piece is in danger? Here we have a knight and we have some rooks. Could you spot which white piece is in danger? Yes, the knight on c6 is under attack by the black bishop. So we have to support our knight. Could you find how to support the knight? Yes, you can move the pawn one step front to b5 so that if they capture our knight, this pawn can go cross and capture. So remember, pawn can capture one step diagonally. So we are supporting the knight with our pawn. So the answer is b5. Next one. Here it is white to play. Could you find which white piece is in danger? Yes, the knight on d5 is under attack. This queen is trying to capture this knight. So now try to find how can you give support to this knight. You can use your queen to give support. Could you find where should you move the queen to give support to this knight? You can move in two ways like d3 or d1. But if you move to d3, this is not safe because black pawn will capture us. So this is not a successful defense. So you should be careful while you give support. Your opponent should not be able to capture you. So the correct answer is qd1. If you move here, this queen is giving support to this knight. So if the queen captures, we can recapture the queen. Okay, now the next one. Here it is black to play. Could you spot which black piece is in danger? Yes, here the rook on c6 is in trouble because it is attacked by the white queen. Could you find how can you give support to this rook? You can use your queen to give support to this rook. Did you spot it? Yes. There are many ways like queen c7. Is this successful? No, because bishop will capture the queen. So this is not a successful defense. And you can also go here to give support, but even this is not a successful defense because they will capture our black queen. So the correct answer is going to b7. So the answer is qb7. Then if they capture our rook, we can recapture. Thank you. See you in next class.